Many GardenCAD drawings deal with relatively small sites. Here's a much larger site. If we use the measure tool and click from one side to the other, it's some 80 or 90 meters, 110 yards in fact in size. And what's been done here is that a symbol representing trees has been placed and a dotted line on the outside. This is a drawing by an arborist, shows the tree protection zone for that particular species. The arborist has been on site and assessed that. Let's have a look at another. Here's another drawing. If we use the measure tool this time, we're dealing with 330 odd meters from one side to another. Again, this is from the arborist's work. And here they've used GPS recorder in a wetland, so there's some water through this zone here that represents a depression. And they've assessed the health of all the trees in the planting in and around the wetland. And those trees color-coded red are to be removed, and green and blue have different characteristics. You can pick the characteristics of tree number 4. It's labeled. You just double-click, up come the properties of it. And if we scroll down to the bottom here, you can see that the species is Eucalyptus intertexta. Its trunk circumference has not been measured, but its height, health, structure, and maintenance is there. So the suggestion here, that red-coloured one, is that it's to be removed. If we look at a green tree, presumably that's going to be in good health. Let's have a look. Health good, structure good, and other characteristics. That's Eucalyptus leucoxylon, the blue gum, but there's a recommendation to prune, so that the symbols that are in this drawing are colour-coded for maintenance, and details on maintenance recommendations can be determined by clicking on them, and that's non-graphic information stored behind the individual symbol. So I thought you might be interested in larger scale GardenCAD drawings.